Ever wondered how to transform your garden into a paradise of aromas? Welcome to the fascinating realm of aromatic gardens. They offer a unique sensory experience and are fast gaining popularity among green thumbs. Stay tuned to learn about the fantastic world of aromatic plants and their benefits. Aromatic plants are not just about pleasant smells, they offer so much more. Let's delve into the mesmerizing world of these fragrant wonders. Lavender, with its soothing scent, is known to reduce stress and anxiety. Rosemary, on the other hand, is not only a flavorful addition to various dishes, but its invigorating fragrance can also help enhance memory and concentration. The cooling aroma of mint can refresh your senses, while its leaves can be used for culinary purposes. Basil, an essential in many kitchens, has a warm, spicy scent that could uplift your mood. Lastly, the intoxicating fragrance of jasmine can fill your evenings with an air of serenity, and it's often used in aromatherapy for its calming effects. These plants not only attract pollinators but also repel pests, contributing to the biodiversity in your garden. Moreover, their therapeutic properties can provide a sensory experience like no other. These aromatic plants not only make your garden smell heavenly but also have several benefits. Creating an aromatic garden is not as complicated as it might seem. The first step is choosing the right plants. Consider your climate and select plants that will thrive. Placement is key for maximum fragrance, so think about where you spend time in your garden. Lastly, remember that regular care and maintenance are essential for a flourishing aromatic garden. Prune, water, and fertilize as needed to keep your plants healthy. With the right plants and a little effort, your garden can become a sensory delight. Aromatic gardens are a feast for the senses and a joy to cultivate. Imagine the pleasure of your own fragrant oasis, brimming with therapeutic benefits. So why wait? Start your aromatic garden today. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content. Happy gardening!